Paal GmbH has been established for over 150 years, during which time it has manufactured over 30,000 machines. Although there is great history and experience, Paal have always looked forward, not backwards, and as a result, they have managed to grow and prosper through a structured process of continual improvement and machine development. This philosophy is reflected in the latest range of Paal balers, which combine innovative features with the robust, reliable performance that Paal machines are famous for. Combined with Dicom's excellent service support, a Paal baler now provides market-leading levels of reliability and performance. If you need to bale significant quantities of refuse-derived fuel or solid recovered fuel, there is one channel baler that stands out as the industry's undoubted machine of choice: the Paal Dokon. Manufactured in Germany and supplied in the UK by Dicom Ltd, the Dokon is the only baler with plastic tying that is capable of baling 90 tons per hour. Although the Dokon can bale the full range of recyclable products, it is especially suitable for baling RDF and SRF. The Dokon range of balers offers a pressing force of between 120 and 200 tons, and is capable of producing RDF bales weighing more than 1.5 tons. The really unique feature of the Dokon is its tying system. The Dokon uses polypropylene-twine, which has a whole host of benefits over other plastic tying systems. Firstly, and most importantly, it works reliably, whereas the plastic wire systems being offered are notoriously temperamental and unreliable. More than a dozen high-performance Dokon balers have been sold into the UK over the last couple of years, and so the technology has been thoroughly tested and proven. Polypropylene-twine also offers huge cost savings over plastic wire. The twine cost typically works out at around 50 pence per tonne of baled material. The equivalent figure for plastic wire is around 5 times as much, and so, given that the Dokon may well be baling between 50 to 100,000 tonnes a year, annual savings in excess of £100,000 are certainly achievable. A further advantage of the polypropylene-twine tying system is that there are no sharp edges or tails, and so there is no risk of the plastic film that is used to wrap the bales being pierced. So, if you need to bale RDF or SRF, speak with Dicom Ltd about the Dokon range of polypropylene-twine tied channel balers.